Hey guys, welcome to the day 8. Congratulations, you're halfway through the program, which means you should be way fitter by now. Your workouts are getting more challenging and we slowly raise the plank. First on the menu is a pyramid style functional workout. Familiar concept, but this time we have 5 exercises and no time limits, which means that you have to complete the whole workout as fast as possible. But if you didn't manage to fit into suggested time frames doing previous pyramid workouts, for this one you can set up a time frame yourself. Normally from 12 to 15 minutes would be a good time for this kind of workout. Crab push-ups are first on the list, very similar to normal push-ups, but on the way down you stop a few inches before your chest touches the floor and you make a side step while your arms are still holding the weight of the body. And then you extend your arms. It is tricky, so you are free to do it from your knees if you want, or use an elevated surface like a bed or a table, for example. Duck walk. There are no specific requirements for this exercise, just try to go as low as you can and keep your feet flat on the floor, stepping from heels to toes. Shoulder flies. You will need your DIY piece of equipment. Please practice this move and adjust the weight before you start the workout. Bunny hops. Similar to a duck walk, you should try and squat as low as you can and keep your feet flat on the floor. Same time, landing on the front part of your feet. Softly. Try to avoid landing on your heels. Towel rows. Remember to keep your elbows close to the body and exhale every time you pull. Also, you can change the resistance by stepping closer to the wall or getting further from it. Further is easier, closer is more challenging. Now let's have a look at the task again. You start from 1 repetition of each exercise, then you do 2 reps, 3 reps, you build it up all the way up to 10 repetitions and then back down to 1. You can have a break if you need it, but you try to complete the whole workout as fast as you can. It's your pace and your timing. Have fun!